After being exonerated, Brian Buckle found himself fighting for compensation.
I was refused compensation in 2024 for not being innocent enough of the crime I hadn't committed. So we kept fighting. We weren't going to leave it lie, so we kept pushing. I got my local MP involved, Mr. Ben Lake, who's been absolutely phenomenal. And we've had 3 meetings now in Westminster. We've had a Westminster debate where Alex Davis-Jones, the Minister for Victims, she promised me that she would have a meeting with me. We had that meeting about 3 months ago. Myself, Mr. Vullo, my family, and Alex Davis-Jones. And then she promised me 2 things, which one was that she was going to look into my compensation, and the second one was that she was going to get my trust back into the justice system, which is going to be quite a hard thing for her to do. But she did make me 2 promises. That was on a Tuesday, and then on the Wednesday, the Prime Minister's question time, he then live in Parliament said my case was a grave miscarriage of justice. 2 days later, I had a letter from the government saying that they're reopening my compensation claim. So